By the end of this video, you will understand how to make perfect transitions in your animations, so guys, highly recommend you to watch this video until the end. I also hid a gift for you. And guys, if you are a beginner in the After Effects and you want to boost your animation skills, just watch the next 10 seconds. I just want to say that if you want to learn After Effects faster, if you are a complete beginner, I made a special tutorial for you. You can now watch different breakdowns and tutorials about After Effects and be closer to me, so we will keep in touch. You can ask me different stuff, about After Effects, everything. So guys, I will just put down below the link on my website and you can check it out later. So guys, we are already in the After Effects and this is the first scene we want to stop. And guys, look here, this is very beautiful animation, I like it so much. Today we are interested how we can make different transitions between our animations. You can make a lot of different transitions between like your animations, and it's more depends on how different they are between each other. So for example, here we can find something similar, because here we have this rectangle inside our YouTube button, and this rectangle like a play video, so this is two similar like objects, and here we are just decreasing by opacity our first scene. Now it disappeared, and then it appears from this rectangle. It's very beautiful transition, I like it so much. This is the first way how you can make your animations, your transitions between your scenes, and there are really a lot of them, a lot of different ways to make these transitions. For example, this one, so here guys, look, we just need to rotate this animation, for example, just we just need to make this layer as 3D, and then you can make this rotation. So let's turn it back, and now you can see like it flipped in one side, rotating in one side, then it rotates in another one, and from this point we already have rotated screen phone. So, and then it rotates, so guys, this is transition by movement. It looks very clear. So guys, after we appeared this screen, we can already put it into our hand, of this person. So it looks really cool. These hands appearing just by opacity the same, but also, as you can see, while we are appearing these hands, our person isn't static. It change its position, from one side to another, and it's also important. So guys, make sure you make your animations are not static and they're interesting. So let's move to another animation. So guys, here, for example, this water drop, the basic idea of this transition or appearance, so we need to appear our glass with the water, and here we have this perfect water drop, and then we are appearing our scene, so perfect, I would say, transition. I would say it's appearance, appearance of the scene, because we even don't have another like animation, so we just need to appear our first scene, and we are making it in this way. We just scaling, on the first at the beginning our scene, and then we are descaling it in this way and appearing our glass with the water. By the way guys, I already have the breakdown of this animation, so if you visit my website, you can see how I made from this one this animation, and you will also have this project file. So, but if you turn back to our transitions, guys, I would say that the best idea to make your transitions good, just to make the transitions by movement. So guys, this is what I mean about making transitions by movement, yeah. So we can see like it falls, yeah, and on this scene we already put it in the hand of our person, yeah. Here it falls down and here it comes to the hand. Then guys, the next transition, it's very good transition, I would say. Like we are looking on this person watching our phone, yeah. It's very cool feature. So we just need to make the freeze frame of the last of our previous animation, yeah. And here this freeze frame we just need to appear in the hand of our person in this case, yeah. And it's really cool. And here guys, also only look at this, we want to appear this the next scene, yeah. And we just need to scale this person, so we're just scaling it, and we need to just change the position it, yeah. And also it's already blurred, so it's already with the blur, but here guys we are showing this scene by position and opacity, yeah. So from this, yeah, it's really cool. And here guys, look on the end of this animation, yeah, as our whole animation looped. So look, yeah, here our end of our animation starts here from the end of our animation here, yeah. So guys, this is the best way to loop your animations to make these transitions. Here we are showing this cup of coffee, yeah, and at the beginning we have this fast movement with your ellipse, yeah, like here we can see. So it moves really fast, and this is the reason why in this way, because we want to make this transition like almost invisible, yeah. So guys, like I mean, our eye pays attention to sharp and to rapid changes in space, yeah. So that's why we have here this fast shape, yeah, that are going from one side to another, because we want to make this scene looped. And look, we already have here this bottle, yeah. And now this is the best way to loop our animation. So yeah, like this, due to these ellipses, both ellipses, we made this transition. Also very cool feature, guys. And guys, please let me know in the comments that you like this topic, yeah, about transitions, and I will make more videos about transitions in motion design if you need it. So please, I will wait for your comments below this video. And thank you so much for watching me. I really appreciate you, and thank you so much for supporting me. So guys, see you soon in the next video, and wish you all the best. Goodbye.